Graduates, you have shown resilience, determination, and unwavering commitment to your growth. You have navigated through the complexities of academic life, balancing studies, extracurricular activities, and personal commitments. Your hard work and perseverance have paid off, and today we celebrate your achievements.
It is my honor to present the Deborah Romenthal Graduate Achievement Award to Mr. Kenneth Johnson. Please come to the stage.
Emani Moore, come on up. Emani Moore.
Even though we have finished, this is only the beginning and what we are blessed and destined to do. Despite the obstacles we may face, there is so much opportunity in front of us. I have faith in all of us here that we will push forward and make this world a better place.
And now standing here watching all you guys and talking to some of you guys and girls in the back, it just means so much because your family really put so much energy into you. So when you think of giving up, or you're thinking it's too hard, or you're thinking I can't, just remember your mom, your pops, your uncles, your aunts, your sisters, your brothers that have your back. And not only that, remember the people at Lincoln Tech that have your back. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Stay humble and keep learning. Be bold, take risks, and push boundaries. Be kind and supportive of one another. Always remember your education is a lifelong journey, not a destination. Don't be anxious, but be laser focused on your goals. You are prepared, be empowered, attack the day. On behalf of Lincoln College of Technology, I would like to say congratulations on this accomplishment and best wishes on all of your endeavors. Now, graduates, would you please stand? It's time to move your tassels from right to left, signifying that you are a graduate. Move your tassels.
So we just wrapped up our inaugural graduation for 2025, and it was amazing. The excitement and energy in this building was through the roof. We blew the roof off this place. I'm so proud of all the staff and faculty that brought the students to this place. It was simply amazing.